Ever faced a situation where your car just won't start, but the battery seems fine? You're not alone. Today, we're going to explore why this happens and how to fix it. Don't forget to check out the link in the description for more detailed information. Bad battery connection. First up, check your battery connections. Loose or corroded terminals can prevent your car from starting. Tighten them up and clean off any corrosion. It's a simple fix but often overlooked. Faulty alternator. Next, consider your alternator. It charges the battery and powers your car's electrical system. If it's faulty, even a good battery won't help. Watch out for dimming lights or a battery warning light on your dashboard. Gear position. Something as simple as not being in park or neutral can stop your car from starting. Always check your gear position, especially if you have a manual transmission. Blown fuse. A blown fuse can disrupt your car's electrical system, affecting the starter relay. Consult your owner's manual, locate the fuse box, and replace any blown fuses. Fuel pump relay. The fuel pump relay controls the fuel reaching your engine. If it's faulty, your car might not start. Check this in the fuse box and replace if necessary. Ignition switch. A defective ignition switch can prevent power distribution to your car's components. Look for signs like a non-responsive switch or a locked steering wheel. Dead key fob battery. If you have a push start system, a dead key fob battery could be the culprit. Replace the battery and try starting your car again. Starter motor issues. Hearing a clicking noise when trying to start? This could indicate a problem with your starter motor or solenoid. These are crucial for engine ignition. Spark plug problems. Bad spark plugs or a damaged distributor cap can prevent your engine from starting. Regularly inspect and replace these components for a smooth start. Timing belt. A worn or broken timing belt can stop your engine from starting. Listen for ticking sounds or a non-turning engine, which are telltale signs. Low fuel. It might seem obvious, but insufficient fuel is a common issue. Keep your tank adequately filled to avoid starting problems. Clogged fuel filter. A clogged fuel filter can block fuel flow to your engine. Replace it if it's dirty or clogged to ensure smooth functioning. There you have it. 12 common reasons your car might not start even with a good battery. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel and leave your comments below. Thanks for watching.